Do you want to scan the QR code on WhatsApp? You can scan WhatsApp QR code on your phone with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to scan QR code on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Scanning a QR code on WhatsApp allows you to quickly and easily add new contacts or join groups by scanning a QR code shared by others. It can also be used to connect your mobile WhatsApp account to your computer. To scan a QR code on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the top right corner and then tap Settings from the drop-down menu. If you are using an iPhone, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. This will open the settings screen within the app. At the top of the settings screen, you will see your account profile picture along with your name. You will see a QR code icon next to your profile picture and your name. Tap the QR code icon. Now, from the top of the screen, tap on Scan Code. This will open the camera scanner within the app. Point your phone scanner at the QR code displayed on the computer or another device. Now, the app will automatically scan the QR code. This will add someone to your account or log you into WhatsApp Web. You can also scan group QR codes like this. If you want to scan a downloaded or screenshot QR code, tap on the picture icon and select it from your device gallery. By following these simple steps, you can easily scan a QR code on WhatsApp to add a new contact or link your account to WhatsApp Web.